guys, what's going on? Snapshot Medical Kitchen here, and today we have another hot sauce feature video. So this is Dave's Angry Sauce, but I'll go into the sauce in a little bit. Today we are making a Stromboli. So when you think of Stromboli, you usually think of a lot of fatty Italian meats and cheeses all thrown together in like a pizza dough. I'm using a Pillsbury dough, and we're going to do healthier grilled chicken with some veggies in there. So it's going to be nice, and we're going to make it spicy, so that's why we're doing another hot sauce feature. Dave's Angry Sauce is hot. He has two little hot fire symbols next to it, but I would say this is around a 7 or 8 out of 10 for heat. Still comfortable, and we have the dough to kind of kill the heat a little bit, but it still definitely is going to cut through and give you that little kick that you're looking for. This is Scotch bonnet, sweet and savory Scotch bonnets. So it does have some pineapple with the Scotch bonnet peppers to kind of cut through and reduce the heat a little bit and give you that sweet taste, but it still is really hot. Great color on that as well. Just, really good sauce. And one thing that I like to see when I look at the label, no sugar added. So it's good. You don't have to worry about that with your diet. If you have diabetes or something like that, there's no added sugar. And salt is the last ingredient, so it's not going to be a big problem there when it comes to high blood pressure. So yeah, Dave's Angry Hot Sauce. The links to their Instagram and their website will be in the description. If you like a little extra kick, this is where you want to go compared to all the other sauces I've tried. So, hope you guys So we're gonna cook this little diced up chicken, about 1 pound, for the Stromboli. And usually, I like to put a lot of seasoning on my food and get the flavors. But when you're working with a hot sauce like this, where it's very flavorful, there's a nice sweet and heat going on, you don't need any seasoning. Why put salt on it when you get the taste from the sauce? That's just making your blood pressure go up. So. Nothing on the chicken, let it cook a little bit, and then we're going to coat with a little bit of hot sauce, depending on how much you like. I'm just going to go, right now, just going to do that, give it a little bit of orange color, move it around a little bit, see how it goes, and then we might add some more. But no seasoning, just this great sauce. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Another special shout out to Dave's Hot Sauce, Dave's Angry Sauce for sponsoring this video. It might have been weird going into this with thinking about hot sauce. I put salsa and a Stromboli, but the pineapple that cuts through the hot sauce really complements the salsa really well. Gives it that light and light and fruity salsa feel. So really good. I hope you guys enjoy it. Try it out. Try and use Dave's Angry Sauce if you can. Links will be in the description. Hope you guys enjoyed, and keep eating and keep watching, and hope you enjoy.